Hi everyone, this is Professor Leon. I'm going to show you how to format your assignments. One of the first things that you need to do is basically look at the font size, which you always want to set up to 12, and you always want to set it up to either Times New Roman or Arial. I'm going to be using Arial for this example. The next thing that you want to do is set up your paragraph spacing. So you click on paragraph and you make sure that the spacing is double. You click OK. And once you have those parameters, what you want to do is you want to type your first name and last name. And you want to type the professor's name, which in this case is my name. And then you want to type the course. So if you're in ENC 1101, you would type ENC 1101. If you're in ENC 1102, you type ENC 1102. If you are in my LIT 2000 class, you would type LIT 2000. And then finally, you write down the date. So you want to type the day, the month, and then the year. MLA 8 is requiring you to write the heading, the month for the heading, in its complete name. Okay, so February would have to be all spelled out instead of FEB period. Another thing that you want to include is basically the page numbering. So anywhere within this area up here, you double click, you want to go to page number, top of page, and plain number 3. And what you want to do is type your last name and click on the red X. And what that's going to do is going to set up all of your page numbers. So you don't have to worry about putting in page numbers as you type. The last thing that you have to do for your page setup is the title. Make sure that your title is centered and that the title includes two things, a hook and a descriptor. The hook is basically a phrase that's going to capture the attention of the reader, and that always comes first. And the descriptor is basically a phrase that's going to explain to the reader what the paper is about. The hook part, and this is the part that is attempting to capture the reader's attention, and it's followed by a colon, because the colon always makes the announcement, and the announcement is basically the description of what the paper is about. And what you want to do always when you type a title is basically words such as verbs, nouns, adjectives, you want to capitalize them. Okay, you don't want to capitalize prepositions, you don't want to capitalize articles unless they start the title. So that's it, everyone. This is how you format your page MLA style.